Okay, so this is the web development class curriculum. We are going to look at these topics, that is, these 8 topics, and website development. We are doing HTML, that is an introductory class to coding. Then we'll do CSS, Java, JavaScript. Then we'll look at CMS platforms, how to build websites with CMS platforms. And then we also look at e-commerce development, how to build online stores, classified websites, and websites that are going to have to do with the buying and selling of product. Then we also look at smart web apps, how to build web applications in a very smart way. So when you have to build any kind of web application at all, it could be maybe a business software, it could be a website that is in a web app form with a back-end, front-end kind of thing. We're going to look at how you can build all of that in a very smart way. And then finally we look at the resources. So under all of these 8 topics, we are going to go through a real project with you. So we're going to have a live project with you that we're going to go through under all of these 8 topics. And then the whole program is going to take 2 weeks to walk through the already recorded videos with you one-on-one. And then we will use the remaining 2 weeks to build real life projects. Because this is not a theory-based course, 100% practicals, we believe that in 4 weeks you should be able to capture everything we learn. At the same time, you should be able to have a recorded version of everything we have done with you one-on-one. So if you want to build any kind of website, you already have a video of what we did with you that you can walk along and build your own project. Because in web development, it's just like any skill that you want to acquire. You are able to master the craft by doing. So you need to work on live projects. So we're not going to do long definitions or terms. All we're going to go straight to is how to build projects with these 8 options. Those are the areas we're going to focus on. And then we can do Monday to Friday, 2 hours each day. Saturdays, Sundays excluded. So 2 hours each day for your own schedule. We agree on the 2 hours and then we can get through the program. Now you can be learning web design for various reasons. It could be the reason of starting your own business. It could be the reason of being a freelancer, getting paid to build websites. For example, if you look on here on our server, you can see there are lots of websites on here that we've done for clients in the past. And this is just one particular server. We have done over close to 200 something websites by far. This is 252 total websites on this server alone. So any kind of website you want to learn how to build, this is the right program for you. If you want to do this as a business or if you want to do this as a freelancer, this is one sample site that I'm opening for you to see. So this is Rose Habibi. It's a new project we're currently working on for a US client, and as you can see, this is just an e-commerce kind of website still under construction. And if you want to use this as a personal business, okay, or as a freelancer, or you want to work with it, this is a profitable niche you want to pay attention to, because web design actually pays if you know what you are really doing. All right, so this is, you can see a deposit confirmation from this client, all right, of almost $1,000 for this kind of project. So if you can build an e-commerce website, something like this, guaranteed you can make good money with it. So under the last topic, that is resources, we are going to teach you how you can collect payments online, especially with this options like cryptocurrencies, how you can collect payments, how you can bill clients, how you can issue invoices, how you can charge clients, and then finally the business of finding clients. Under resources, we're going to pay attention to the business of finding clients for your web design skill that you found. So for any cost you are putting in to learn website development, I'll just bet you that if you pay attention to the class, if you're able to capture everything you're going to learn, you should be able to recover all of your fees in your first clients that you're going to get after the training. Okay, so basically that is it. Once we agree on the days that you think are going to work for you in the week, then we have 2-hour session every day of the week. We will be able to get through all the 8 topics, and by the end of the 8 topics, you will be well abreast with how you can build or even start the development of any kind of website or even a web application, especially with the topic number 7 on how to build web applications. So that is it, and I will see you inside the class.